Hi guys, so I'm gonna try today to fully furnish a 2-bedroom apartment with stylish furniture for an affordable price. Hi, where can I find all the sofas? So I need to walk all the way there.
This will be the first section.
I just wanted to ask you how much would be just this piece until here of sofa?
Okay, only this one?
Yes, just this.
You take one.
Thank you so much. Total 7,380. Please, can you tell me where is the dining section? So now actually I would like to take this coffee table and bring it in front of the sofa to see how it fits together. But there's no one here, so let's wait a bit and let's see if someone will come. So now we're trying to find the rug section, which is like all the way to the other side. Then you need to take an elevator and go down. So one tip, when you go furniture shopping, you definitely need a comfortable outfit, almost like a pajama, like the one I'm wearing right now. Definitely sneakers, nothing else. Can I go to the carpet section to see that way? This one? Yes. Finally, the rug section. Okay, so now let's check. Where is the bed section? So how much is the delivery and the assembly included?
Yes, ma'am. The delivery will be 75 and assemble is 150, total 225.
So I came in at 10 a.m. and it's now like 4:30 p.m. And I'm exhausted. I couldn't fully furnish the 2-bedroom apartment because there is some items which are out of stock and I need to get them from another store. But right now I can't. I'm just so exhausted, so I'll go another day. Feels good to sit down. So now let's move order with TUKA. Check out. Okay, so it took me literally the time to drink a sip of coffee, and I will receive all the furniture within 3 days, including delivery and assembly, for 12,908. So tell us in the comments below how was your past furnishing experiences and how long it took you to fully furnish your home.